Welcome to our deep dive into understanding the data science lifecycle. In this video, we'll outline the 5 steps of the data science lifecycle, distinguish between structured and unstructured data, and compare supervised and unsupervised learning models. Let's start with the data science lifecycle. This process includes gathering data by identifying and collecting relevant sources, cleaning data, which involves reformatting, creating new features, and dealing with missing values, exploring data through visualizations to spot patterns, modeling data by applying and evaluating models for prediction or classification, and finally, interpreting data by communicating results effectively. The first step, gathering data, involves identifying available data sources and collecting new data if needed. Examples include transactions from different store types, where we note the amount, store type, and whether there was fraud. Moving to step 2, cleaning data. This step is about reformatting data into usable structures, handling missing values, and creating new features. An example here would be converting fraud status into a binary format. 0 for no fraud, 1 for fraud. Step 3 is all about exploring data. We use visualizations to identify trends and relationships, calculate summary statistics, and plot data like transaction amounts based on fraud status to see underlying patterns. In step 4, modeling data, we discuss both supervised and unsupervised approaches. Supervised models include classification for predicting categories or regression for numerical outputs. Unsupervised models, on the other hand, identify hidden patterns or groupings within the data without predefined labels. The final step, interpreting data, focuses on communicating findings to both technical and non-technical audiences. This might involve giving presentations, writing technical reports, or integrating models into software, adapting them based on feedback or new data. Now, let's talk about data types. Structured data is organized, like customer mailing addresses, in tables or databases, while unstructured data lacks a predefined format, such as images or audio files. When comparing models, supervised models use labeled data to make predictions, like in fraud detection, whereas unsupervised models look for patterns or clusters without labels, useful in customer segmentation. To wrap up, the data science lifecycle is about methodically gathering, cleaning, exploring, modeling, and interpreting data. Data's nature, whether structured or unstructured, affects how it's processed, and the choice between supervised or unsupervised models depends on the analytical task at hand. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe for more content on data science and technology. See you next time.